MC2A air compressor. I don't know, 40, 60 gallon air tank. Harbor Junk pot blaster. Chevy 1.5 ton Valances, 2 of them. Actually, the one closest to us is military issue, and that's because it has all the holes drilled in it for the data plates. Finally got a hold of a guy, Robert Dudkowski, in Poland, who makes excellent reproduction data plates. This Valance has a little bit of a rust out issue. It's the original one to the truck. And then this Civi one has a rust issue in the corner. I don't know which way I'm going to go. So I'm going to sandblast them both, clean them up, put them into primer, and decide from there. So, be right back. Alright, that's done. So, this is the window frame that I took out of the Chevy. It needs some work. It's kind of tough to see, but I don't know if we can see up in there. The bottom of this channel has rust through it, so I have to fix that. And this Valance here is the civilian one, and that silver paint just blew right off of there with my sandblasting setup here. And of course, this is the military Valance, and the sandblaster made short work of this. Probably only about 20 minutes. I don't mind a little bit of rust. The primer that I use has a high content of rust killer in it, so I just want to clean up, get most of the dirt off and most of the rust and all of the paint, which I did successfully, in combination with the air leaving the nozzle on the Chi-Com pot blaster, which works pretty good, and the MC2A. I just didn't want to subject you guys to that awful noise. And both of my little batteries that I bought are maintenance free, and the maintenance battery, they're dead. It's alright, got this great battery charger here, taking 6 amps. I have it set to maintenance free, so I'll let that go and charge, and then I'll charge the other one that's in the garage, and yep, things will be good. Anyway, I'm gonna put everything away and then shoot all this stuff with primer. And there's a guy I follow on YouTube, got a pretty good channel. He's out in New York. He always says, okay, let's go fix something else. So that's what we're gonna do later. Oh yeah, thanks for watching my video.